Here's a secret to never sticking an egg to the bottom of your frying pan again. Make your pan non-stick. In a skillet, add a little oil right after you break an egg, and guys, I'm going to do the usual process of frying an egg first so you can see how it really sticks to the pan. This type is amazing because in addition to not sticking, the egg will no longer sneeze fat while it's frying. It will make your kitchen life much easier. For those of you who don't have a non-stick pan, this type will save you. Guys, you could see that the egg stuck whole to the bottom of the pan. Now, I'm going to remove the pan from the heat, wash it and bring it back to show the process that activates the anti-adherence of this pan. With the pan already lined, I'll add a little oil and then a little wet flour. Yes folks, this type will save you in the kitchen. Right after I cracked an egg, I didn't work out very well, but you'll notice that your frying pan's anti-stick is already active. This egg won't stick or splash hot oil, and best of all, the flour won't leave any taste. This wet flour technique you can use in other processes. The egg is already fried and you can see that the egg hasn't stuck. For those who don't have a non-stick skillet, this technique helps a lot. Your egg will be fried without splashing oil and without making a mess in your kitchen. Also add a little salt to taste. If you want to turn the egg over, the anti-stick will remain the same. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Do it at your home. This was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.